viewers, this is Saria. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video I am going to share you the skincare routine, the normal skincare routine for every season. Okay, skincare is very important for our healthy skin. So for healthy skin lookup, skincare routine is very essential and is very important. Okay, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get new upcoming videos. So let's get start. Well, in this video I will share with you a product, a skincare product. This is a very important product, lotion. Normally everyone we use lotion because it's a very important and essential products for our skin. So the product I'm going to share you, this is the Vaseline lotion. Okay, Vaseline, we all familiar with this product. This is a very common type of lotion, and there are lots of flavor. Here this is a, you can see this is a Vaseline lotion. This is a intensive care aloe fresh. Okay, we all know that aloe vera is very essential ingredients for our skin. So like aloe vera soap, aloe vera shampoo, or whether it's aloe vera lotion, so it's very important. So normally all around the world, wherever you will be, like Asian country, European country, North American country, everywhere in this world, normally climate is changed. Okay, climate has been changed. So sometimes when there are seasonal change, we have to also use our skincare routine according to the climate changes. Okay, because it's very important, because when it will be summer, we have to use like that kind of products which is suited for summer skin. Okay, and when it's winter, our skin will be getting very dry. So in this winter season, normally what will happen that when your skin gets dry, we have to moisturize our skin. So we have to maintain all these, and we have to remember all these things. So you have to change your skin products according to this different season. Okay, so this is a Vaseline aloe fresh lotion intensive care. This is you can use this in the summer season. This is a very wonderful for your skin. I recommend it because I used it already. This is a Unilever original. You can see there is a it instantly absorbs 5 layers deep for healthy soft skin. So to get a healthy soft smoothie and refreshed skin, you can use this aloe fresh, because I already told you that aloe vera is very essential for our skin, for our healthy skin. Anyone can use this. So here I'll show you that it's what's it have like Vaseline intensive aloe fresh. This is moisturized to restore dry skin. So to prevent your skin become dry, you can use this aloe fresh lotion to moisturize your skin very fast. Okay, and it absorbs 5 layers deep, and feather light formula with non-greasy feel. Okay, like this is a non-sticky lotion, so like non-greasy and non-sticky. And there are ingredients like the main ingredients is like glycerin, palmitic, stearic acid, or like glycol stearate, and the most important is a Vaseline jelly. Okay, Vaseline jelly. So it helps to absorb your skin and protect your skin from sunburn, and you will get a very healthy soft skin. Well, now there are, I can share some other products of Vaseline. Like there are 2 products I have, and the next one is the Intensive Care Deep Restore. Is clinically proven to restore dry skin, okay, with micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. This is also very good lotion you can use, and it's also a non-greasy and non-sticky lotion. Almost all of the Vaseline products are very non-sticky, okay, and it's very light and rich, okay. To become a healthy and glamorous skin, you can use these products of lotion with different season or different changes in climate, okay, climate changes. So this is a Vaseline Intensive Restore, and this is Vaseline Intensive Care, and there are some features with these products. It's deeply moisturizes to restore your dry skin. It also helps to moisturize your skin to prevent from your skin become dry, and triples skin's moisture level, and it leaves skin noticeably healthier, okay, and it absorbs very fast, okay, for a non-greasy feel. So you don't feel non-greasy or like your skin like non-sticky type, okay. It absorbs very fast, very quickest way. And this is like you can see that there is a micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. This is very healthy for our skin, especially in the summer. Like ultraviolet rays damages our skin. Sunburn and ultraviolet rays damage our skin very badly. So to prevent from sunburn, you can use this lotion, or as I told you my previous video that when you apply on makeup on your face, you can just first apply this any kind of moisturizer like lotion. You can use lotion because lotion is available in everyone home. So you can use first apply in lotion, and then you can apply on makeup, so that it will prevent your skin from any kind of side effects on the makeup products, okay. And this is a very light and very non-sticky type, and it smells very good, okay. I love this lotion very much, okay. I already used all this. You should try this one. Normally most of the girls use this Vaseline lotion. This is a very popular products, and then this is the healthy. If you want to like a white lightening skin, so to get like white and lightening skin, you can and use this Vaseline healthy white lightening even tone lotion, okay. This is a healthy whitening skin. To get your skin whitening, more whitening, you can use this lotion. You can use this winter. This is also very non-greasy lotion, and and with Vaseline jelly, there are the products. And to visibly to get your skin fair, you can use this lotion, okay. It will add some extra brightness on your skin. And this is also very non-sticky lotion. You can use this in a winter season. And this is a lightening, and we believe that everyone deserves and for healthy and healed skin. We created this healing project products, and to help heal the skin of people living in crisis and disaster. So you should try these products, and you should use this lotion like twice or a day. Apply generously and massage till it gets absorbed all over your face. And it's a very good lotion. You can use this one for whitening. Those people who want to get a whitening skin, you can use this one. This is a very good products. I love this very much. Actually all of the products of Vaseline is very good, okay. they have but especially for summer skin you can use this two one. Okay, this two one, especially this one is very good, and you can use also this one. It depends on whether you want to choose. You can use both. Okay, and aloe fresh is a help to like your skin to damage your to prevent your skin from like harmful ingredients, harmful makeup side effects. Aloe fresh is a very good one, so you can use this like before apply on your makeup. You can use this one, and before go to sleep at night you can apply this one to moisturize your skin, to prevent your skin from dryness. You can just when you go to sleep at night, before that just apply and massage all over your face, so it will absorbs very fast, and your skin will very soft and very smoothie. Okay, to get softy and smoothie skin you can use aloe fresh or like clinically proven to restore dry skin. So you can use like intensive deep restore, and you can use also to get whitening skin. You can use this healthy white lightening even tone lotion. So here I'll show you these all the three products. This yeah, you can use like this is you can see this is the 200 ml, this is 300 ml, and this is also 300 ml. You can use you'll get like 100 ml, 200 or 300 ml. So you can use wherever you choose, whether it will be choose, you can use this one. And whether it's hot like extreme hot, extreme cold, you can use both of all these. Okay, for winter and summer season. So these three products are very good and essential for to get a healthy skin. So I think you should add this Vaseline lotion to your skincare routine. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and to get more upcoming videos please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get new updates. Stay fine, bye.